just coming into this little town up here, a few, I don't know, kilometer away or so. I thought we'd videotape it and see what it looks like. It's not too terribly far away. This might be it, I don't know. No, it said it was 3 kilometers, about a kilometer back, so. Might be it right here.
Hunucmá.
What's it called?
Hunucmá. Size little town, actually. It's the only way to Sisal, so they probably get a lot of people. Well, everybody from Mérida be going through here to go to Sisal, I guess. A little fruit stand on both sides of the road. Little market. Selling flamingos, all kinds of stuff. Up here, we're gonna go right here. Not telling me to, but yeah.
In 200 meters, turn left.
It's sure weird how you're driving on the highway and then you're just in these little towns, and then it just brings you through all these little side streets to get back out onto the highway again, like the.
Turn left.
Well, obviously not here, the next one. That's construction. Interesting. Yeah, you just go through these little towns, zigzag through them, and actually, this is a fairly big place. Like, we're still in this little town here for a ways. Interesting. Yeah, this is a fair-sized town. Really big, actually. A lot bigger than what I thought it was. Again, for the 5th time. Downtown core right here.
Oh, you can always tell the downtown or El Centro by the square.
Yeah. I guess I turn. Well, that's just little Sisal Strait. For a second I thought I was supposed to turn, but no. I didn't expect this town to be this big. And we're not that far out of Mérida, really. Like, I don't know. How far did we drive? A half hour? Not even. Well, probably close, I guess. Surprise. Looks like I gotta go right here. Is there a sign that
of this little town. Oh, there's a bus. Sisal, go right. Possum didn't make it. Well, that's it. Well, that was interesting. Definitely a pleasant little surprise. Well, it's no different driving here than back home. They can't wait to get ahead of you. That's for sure. Same thing driving home. That one's in a big hurry. Big hurry to go nowhere. Anyway, guys, we're gonna sign out and finish the rest of our destination, and we'll come back on when we see something interesting. Peace out. Yeah, we're in a little town that we can't pronounce. Hunucmá. It's on the way to Sisal. We're at the Central Park, so we thought we would stop in here and check it out. Just beautiful here, though. Nice Central Park. We're in the center of town, obviously. They always have these beautiful parks in the middle of the town, the city. Really nice here. I just thought we'd quickly show it to you. We're gonna stroll around and get back on the road here and walk around a little tiny bit.